Hello everyone. The suspended public protector advocate Mkhwebane's husband, Mandla Skhosana, has officially handed over all the WhatsApp messages between him and the late former energy minister Tina Joemat-Pettersson to support his claim that the three members of parliament tried to extort about 600,000 rands bribe from him. Skhosana opened a criminal case 3 weeks ago at OR Tambo International Airport Police Station, alleging that Joemat-Pettersson, the ANC chief whip in parliament, Pheme Mkhwebane, and the chairperson of the Section 194 inquiry probing Mkhwebane's fitness to hold office, Richard Obudile, solicited a bribe from him to manipulate or make the inquiry against his wife go away. According to the Star publication, Skhosana met Hawks investigators in Germiston, Ekurhuleni, where he handed over all the WhatsApp messages between him and Joemat-Pettersson. The Hawks spokesperson Brigadier Thandi Mbambo said that we can confirm that the Hawks received a case docket of extortion as per case 95/05/23 for further investigation. The investigating is at its infancy stage. We are not at liberty to discuss details, therefore, so as to protect the integrity of the investigation. Skhosana stated that in his affidavit, Joemat-Pettersson told him that she was representing Mkhwebane and Gyangi. Mkhwebane and Gyangi have so far publicly distanced themselves from the scandal but haven't once called Joemat-Pettersson a liar. The WhatsApp messages revealed that it was Joemat who first approached Skhosana and asked for an urgent meeting. She told him that she was flying all the way from Cape Town to specifically meet him, and also gave him the time and the restaurant to meet at, which she said was safe and ideal because it did not have cameras. At that meeting on 21 March this year, Skhosana claimed that Joemat-Pettersson demanded 600,000 rands bribe to manipulate or make the inquiry against Mkhwebane go away. On the 22 March at 11 a.m., Pettersson sent a WhatsApp message with a location to Skhosana asking for another urgent meeting. At 11:57 on the same day, Joemat-Pettersson sent another message to Skhosana, who seemed reluctant to have another meeting, saying urgent, they are ready. They meant Mkhwebane and Gyangi. Skhosana promised to call Joemat after receiving the message on 26 March at 12:48 p.m. Joemat-Pettersson sent another WhatsApp message saying, "Afternoon brother, please let me know what time you can make it today." It's also believed that this was the day of the bribe to be delivered. Skhosana at 12:49 p.m. responded and said, "Good afternoon. Are you and the other one ready? Of what time?" Pettersson said, "The other one is waiting for me. Let's meet and discuss." Skhosana asked, "So am I meeting you alone?" And she responded with a yes. On 27 March at 10:20 a.m., Joemat-Pettersson sent Skhosana to another location in Pretoria, and 2 minutes later she followed up on the location saying, "I will be available at this location at 12:30 p.m. today. The other two are still in Gauteng until tomorrow, but they don't want to meet you yet." The WhatsApp messages suggested that Skhosana insisted on meeting Mkhwebane and Gyangi, who were in Gauteng for an ANC engagement instead of meeting Joemat alone. On 28 March, there was another meeting planned, but Joemat was stuck in Cape Town at 5:48 p.m. She sent Skhosana another WhatsApp saying, "I will be back in Gauteng on Friday. We must meet urgently. Time is not on our side." Skhosana's statement to the police said that, "I was very shocked to realize that I was being asked to pay what, to me as a layperson, appeared to be a bribe to Joemat-Pettersson, Mkhwebane and Gyangi in exchange for them helping the public protectors to have a fair hearing. I would like this matter to be thoroughly investigated and the culprits brought to book to account for their action, as it taints and compromises a process that has brought so much agony and suffering to my family." Skhosana said Joemat-Pettersson told him that Gyangi was used to chair the inquiry against Mkhwebane, who was suspended a day after she sent 31 questions to President Cyril Ramaphosa in connection with the robbery of undisclosed US dollars at his Palapala farm in Balabela, Limpopo, and also that Mkhwebane and Gyangi were very angry that they were not appointed as ministers during Ramaphosa's cabinet reshuffle in February. Skhosana explained that 2 days later, Joemat-Pettersson called him to another meeting at the same restaurant, where she told him Mkhwebane and Gyangi were both around Gauteng. Attending the ANC's annual Lekotla meeting, it was in this meeting that Skhosana claims Jomet told him that Ramaphosa wants them to finish the parliamentary inquiry against Mkhwebane as soon as possible. Skhosana also said that after playing along with Jomet Peterson, he told her that he wasn't going to pay any bribe but called a press conference to reveal that 3 members of parliament had solicited a bribe from him. He also stated that he was later forced to disclose the information to Mkhwebane, and she was visibly shocked and distraught to learn of such corruption and criminal activity by members of parliament. Skhosana made a full disclosure to Mkhwebane and her legal team on 9 May 2023. The late Jomet told the Star that she spoke to Skhosana but didn't want to reveal what they were talking about, and never denied and said, "I confirmed meeting him face to face." Majotina said that the correct person to seek clarity from is Tina. As you mentioned her, I don't even sit in the Section 194 committee. What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.